Mexico City is the capital of a country which is home to some of the best craftsmen in the world. It is a magnet for Mexicans and visitors alike, and for shoppers, it's paradise. On this programme, we will visit some of the city's best markets and unveil treasures from local crafts to sharp style. Hunt down an old work of art in the America's oldest pawn shop. Visit Puebla, home to the best pottery, and find out what real silver is actually made of. Whether you're an eagle-eyed bargain hunter or a serious collector, there is something here for everyone. Proud about their culture and traditional in their work, Mexicans are skilled at using any material, from wool to glass and tin to silver. They produce some of the world's best artwork and crafts, all of which can be found in Mexico City.